Hello and welcome back to Stuff in Excel. I want to show you very quickly how to create a table of summary statistics in Excel using the XLMiner Analysis TookPak that's built into Excel. It's a really simple process and it's really efficient, and it gives you a lot of results and a lot of analysis that you can use. The first thing I want to do is tell you we have to identify our data range, and this data range is over here in column A, and I've already pre-named this data range. There's over 1,000 observations in this set of data, and we want to get summary statistics on this data very quickly. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Show TookPak on the far right side of my ribbon. So I'll click on Show TookPak. I'm going to go down to the sixth item, which is Descriptive Statistics. I will click on that. Now it's going to ask me my input range. Now my input range is going to be over in column A, and all I have to do is go up here to my cell identifier, and I click the down arrow, and I'm going to click Measurements. It's going to put that range right in here. Next, I'm going to turn off labels. Then I'm going to turn on my output range, and my output range is going to be in cell C1. Now, next, all I have to do now is hit OK, and it's going to give me that table of summary statistics. And it gives me things like mean, standard deviation, median, mode, standard deviation, standard error, sample variance. If I had multiple columns, I could apply this tool to multiple columns at the same time, and I would simply get these results side by side in a table. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you can use it, and we'll see you back here real soon on Stuff in Excel.